Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create this unique poster design in Inshot video editor. Open Inshot application, create a new photo project, add your photo, go to canvas, set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and increase the size. Go to filter, select the one, adjust the filter strength. Now export the photo. Create a new photo project and repeat the same steps again. Change the aspect ratio. Change the filter to the 2. Adjust the strength and export the photo. Repeat the same steps again. Now create a new empty photo project. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Now use PIB to add all the photos we saved earlier. Go to stickers and use cutout to remove the background of the original photo. Add the white outline and reduce the size to 5. Make it small and place it at the bottom. Repeat these steps for the rest of the photos. So here's the final result, a unique poster design made with Inshot video editor. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, comment down below and subscribe to the channel for more Inshot tutorials. Thanks for watching and much love I got for you. Peace.